In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund a transaction using Stripe's dashboard without needing to write a single line of code. Whether you're a business owner or someone managing transactions for a company, these steps are designed to be quick and straightforward. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log in to your Stripe dashboard. This is the control center where you manage all your transactions, so go ahead and enter your credentials. Once you're in, focus your attention on the menu on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll want to navigate down to the section labeled Payments. This area displays all the transactions that have been processed, and you should be able to easily locate the specific payment you wish to refund. When you've found the transaction in question, look for the small icon that resembles three dots, often referred to as the overflow menu, situated next to it. Alternatively, you can click directly on the payment to access more details. Either of these actions will open up options, one of which is to refund payment. Select this option to proceed. A refund dialog box will then appear, where you'll have a few options to consider. By default, Stripe is set to issue a full refund. If this matches your intention, you can proceed without making any changes. However, if you only wish to refund part of the payment, you'll need to set a different amount manually. This flexibility can be particularly useful for situations where only a portion of the transaction needs to be returned. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a reason for the refund. It's important to select the most accurate option to maintain clarity. Some common reasons might include requested by customer, duplicate, or fraudulent. If none of these specifically apply, you can opt for Other and add a brief note to provide additional context. Once you've made your selections and double-checked everything, click on the Refund button to complete the process. You'll know the refund has been successfully issued as it will be reflected in the payment record. Keep in mind that while the refund process is initiated immediately, it typically takes anywhere from 5 to 10 business days for the refunded amount to appear on the customer's statement. Additionally, if you need to issue multiple refunds simultaneously, Stripe allows for bulk full refunds. Simply select the payments you'd like to refund and then click Refund. It is important to note that partial refunds must be done individually, as they require specific amounts to be entered. And there you have it. You've successfully issued a refund through the Stripe dashboard. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide informative and easy to use. Remember, this simple and efficient process can significantly enhance how you manage refunds in your business.